Hello, friends, and a big hello to all the gardening lovers or all the gardening fans. Today, I'll tell you something about how to grow multiple plants in a single pot. In a single pot, sometime what happened, like we bring a cutting of different flower, but then at that moment we don't have enough space to plant those cuttings. So in that time, you can plant the same cutting in any bigger pot, like all you can plant together. So as like you can see in this flower pot, we have this geranium, that is the regular geranium that you can see. And hibiscus, yes, hibiscus, I've just pruned it, so new leaves are coming out now. And also with that, you can see, I'll show you here. You can see this plant. This is commonly known as 4 o'clock plant. This one, evening around at 4 o'clock, they bloom. So this is called 4 o'clock plant. So I'll tell you how to, and one special thing about this 4 o'clock plant is they grow well in garden beds or in container planting, and they mingle and grow through other plants nicely, making a pretty underplanting. So you can put this plant with other plants too. But one thing I want to share with you, like here suppose the three plants I put together. So first what we have to see, we have to check the type of the plant. Say for example, this is geranium, hibiscus, and this is 4 o'clock plant. So these three plants usually they need enough sunlight, and they do not like wet weather or cold weather. So that's why then I thought of planting them together, and you can see the result. This is the first plant that I put in this pot, and then I brought this one, the geranium. It's almost 1.5 months old. This geranium, you can see its lips, they have grown so well, and that the flowers are really nice, the bunch of flower. And also this 4 o'clock plant is quite new. You can see the seedling, and one more you can see here, one more seedling of the this 4 o'clock plant. So what and the other side you can see one more cutting of hibiscus. Here you can see that is also growing, you can see the leaves. So what I have seen, if it's a same category, same type of flower plant, then it's very easy to grow them together. But one thing you have to keep in mind, the pot should be big. As you can see that it's a bigger pot, the pot should be big, and there should be enough space in the pot so that the pot can hold different plant. And next, as you can see, there is a gap between these plants, like around 3 to 2 to 3 inch gap you have to give when you are planting these trees plants. And now see, and regarding his care, whenever I see that the leaves are dropping down, that time I put water. And these plants, they like sunlight, so I keep this flower pot under the sun for at least in a day, for 3 to 4 hours sun. These kind of plants they need. Okay, now next is the how how to grow. You can grow like seedlings also, or you can grow from cutting also. And this, if you see this hibiscus, I ordered in Amazon, and it's a maximum is 2 months old, but during those period, just you can see their growth. And regarding the soil, here I have used perlite, very say 10% of perlite and red soil. is purely red garden soil. So I have not used when I put the cutting, I have not used any routine hormone powder or any other fertilizer. So it's totally growing naturally. And sometimes what I do, I just crushed your eggshells. I crushed it, I dried it, and I just put it on their roots. So this is the, here I'll show you this one. You can see here also it's the three different plants are there. Here you can see the hibiscus. It's a pink big hibiscus that this is also from cutting. And here the chrysanthemum you can see. And this is the some from the family of chrysanthemum. The flowers are yellow color, it looks like buttons. And the fourth one is Jasena, that is you can see, or the Song of India. So here total four. And as you can see, the pot is not that much bigger, but it's a medium size pot. But they are growing so nicely. And this one, the hibiscus, say 4 to 5 weeks back I brought the cutting and I put it there, and now you can see it's bud. So it will bloom very soon. And you can see my chrysanthemum, I pruned it like a month back, and now you can see the result. Here total four plants are there. So friend, this I want to share with you that if we have some problem with space, say whenever I passing through nursery, I have a habit to get down and check for flower plants. So sometimes what happened, like I bring it from the nursery, but I don't have that much space. I mean the empty pots to put them immediate. So what I do, I just look for the same category of plant, and then if there is enough space on that, I put it.